Hey guys, this is Dave with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here with a Fitbit Blaze tutorial video. Today I will be showing you how to change the stride length for the most accurate results on your Fitbit Blaze. So the 3 steps that I go by: 1, you want to go to a track or someplace where you can be sure of the distance. 2, count your steps as you walk across that distance, and you got to make sure you travel at least 20 steps. The last step, divide the total distance in feet taken by the number of steps to get your stride length. Once you have the calculation, you want to go ahead and go on the Fitbit app, make sure you're on dashboard, and there's going to be an account icon on the top right hand corner of your screen. You want to click on that. On the very bottom of that page, under settings, you want to click on advanced settings. On the very bottom of that page, there's stride length, so you want to click on that. If you have it set automatically, you want to go ahead and take it off and input your calculation under walking. So you want to X that out, and whatever yours may be, you want to put that in for the most accurate results. When you have it put in, you want to go ahead and click back, and it saves automatically. We also sell Fitbits on our website at JoesGE.com. If you guys have any questions regarding this tutorial, comment in the comment section below and we will do our best to reply to your comments. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.